Cilantro can remove 80% of heavy metals from the body within 42 days. Here is what you need to do. Unfortunately, despite the important advancements in all aspects of society, the modern era has also brought about numerous health risks via the toxic contaminants we are exposed to daily. Heavy metals such as mercury, cadmium, and aluminum belong to this category, and embed themselves into the central nervous systems and bones, bioaccumulating for years, and leading to acute health problems from heavy metal poisoning. The exposure to heavy metals has been linked to serious health issues like cancer, kidney disease, heart disease, brain tissue deterioration, lung disease, and skeletal disorders. However, their negative effects can be prevented and reversed with the help of natural substances, and cilantro is one of the most powerful ones. Cilantro is an incredibly effective detoxifier of heavy metals and other toxins. It has potent antiseptic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, and is a rich source of potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and manganese, as well as vitamins A and K. Cilantro has potent medicinal properties, as follows. It destroys bacteria. It treats nausea. It is an effective metal toxin binding agent and mobilize. It fights inflammation. It treats urinary tract infections. Reduces minor swelling. Acts as expectorant. Treats anemia since it is rich in iron and magnesium. It improves the function of the liver. It acts as a bulking agent and helps digestion. Prevents bloating and gas. Increases HDL cholesterol and decreases LDL. Alleviates hormonal swings during menopause and menstruation. You can just add it to your daily smoothies or other healthy recipes and reap all its beneficial qualities. Here is one delicious, inflammation-fighting cilantro recipe. 1/2 c packed chopped fresh organic cilantro. 1/2 c organic apple juice. 1 teaspoon wheatgrass powder. 1/2 c water. Instructions. Mix the ingredients in the blender, and enjoy this healthy smoothie on a daily basis.